Deck surface splintering is the worst when you're just trying to chill outside but end up with splinters in your feet or hands, so fixing it fast is key. Alright, first thing, grab some medium grit sandpaper or a power sander if you have one. This is going to smooth out all those rough patches where splinters love to hide. Don't rush it. Take your time sanding until the surface feels nice and even. Next, make sure you clean the deck thoroughly, like sweep off all the dust and dirt before doing anything else. After sanding and cleaning, slap on a good protective sealant or wood stain that's meant for decks. This not only keeps your deck looking fresh, but also stops new splinters from forming. You want to do this every couple of years, especially if your deck is exposed to rain or crazy sun. Also, check for any loose boards or nails while you're at it, and fix those because those can cause splinters too. Keep your shoes on around the deck if it still feels a little rough until you've sealed it properly. Lastly, avoid skipping maintenance even if your deck looks fine now. Regular care saves you from painful surprises later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck surface splintering is ignoring the early signs like small rough spots or slight cracks. Waiting too long just makes the problem way worse, so catch it early by inspecting your deck every season. Another common slip-up is skipping the cleaning step after sanding. If you don't get rid of all the dust and debris, the sealant won't stick right and won't protect your wood properly. Just use a broom and a damp cloth to clean up before sealing. Lastly, many folks use the wrong type of sealant or stain that isn't designed for outdoor decks, which can peel off quickly or not protect against moisture and sun damage. Make sure you pick a product that says it's for decks and follow the instructions carefully. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to deck repairs and sealing. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who need reliable, quality help on their home projects.